Organic and agricultural waste, including food scraps, animal manure, and human feces, significantly contaminates the air, soil, and water. I'm off to meet someone who promises me that his company has a key to solve these issues.
Welcome.
Good to meet you.
Welcome to HomeBiogas. You come to the place where we make waste matter.
Nice. Show me around. What you got?
Our company specializes in constructing biogas systems that convert organic waste into biogas and liquid fertilizer.
How did this whole home biogas thing happen?
We're friends. We all learned water biology. We saw that there's a problem in the world of waste management, water contamination. We traveled the world in India and Africa. We saw people cooking on wood and charcoal, the problem of smoke. One day we came together to this idea of let's try to transform the organic waste into energy. We knew it in the biology side, in the chemistry side, and then we tried to check it out in the reality, and we saw that it actually works. We're mimicking a natural process, billions of year-old process for our good benefit. Organic waste transformed naturally into biogas.
What's the problem that you're trying to solve over here?
Biggest issue of waste that we have today is organic waste. It emits gas into the air that contaminates the environment. It contaminates the air, it contaminates the soil, it contaminates actually water, rivers, lakes. By having a HomeBiogas system in your house, in your farm, you are helping to stop emitting between 6 to 10 tons of greenhouse gas emissions every year. We offer a solution applicable across nearly every corner of the globe, currently implemented in over 100 countries spanning 6 continents. Today, about 4.2 million women and children die each year from indoor air pollution. If we take out the need for cooking on wood and charcoal and let them have clean cooking gas, we are saving lives. The system has like a mouth. You throw all the waste inside. Inside here, there's a stomach with anaerobic conditions, no oxygen. The bacteria inside break the waste. In the fermentation process, you get biogas. And we get also liquid fertilizer. From there, a tube goes into our kitchen. We just turn on the stove and we can cook on biogas. In my house, we cook on it about 2 hours a day. All our products that you see here are already working worldwide. Everything is living. This is part of our patent, that it actually looks good, works good, and smells good. Even the toilets.
You have a toilet as well that's connected to this whole system?
Yes, we add an add-on toilet to the system.
This I want to see.
This system, it's connected to a special toilet that we developed. It connects into the biogas system. What we do goes into the system, breaks down, gas is generated, goes into a water heater or to cook.
You can't cook on this.
You can cook on it, of course. It's gas. It's just gas.
Can I test it?
Yeah, of course. It uses only 1 liter per flush instead of 9 liters. And we save at least 40,000 liters of clean water per year by using this toilet. After the feces are being treated, the environment can hold it, can use it, the trees, the plants. It's not polluted.
Guys, this is how you get rid of your bullshit. What's this?
This is a kumquat. You know, it's fertilized on treated feces.
L'chaim.
L'chaim.
Tastes the same.
Tastes amazing.
What's your education program?
Come, I'll show you. You know, the most important is the next generation. We have many systems in schools, hundreds of systems in Brazil, Kenya, thousands of systems in El Salvador. In the HomeBiogas classroom, they can really learn how organic waste is transformed into energy. And in the end, they can actually also cook on it.
Amazing.
What do you remember from the blackboard in the classroom? We almost don't remember anything. But when you touch it, when you actually live it, then you remember it. And for me, this is the most inspiring point, because in the education, this is the first step. And also in my home, I have 2 children. In the last 10 years, they grew up living a life where waste is transformed into energy that we cook on every day. If children know that waste is not waste, it's actually a resource, and they live it, if they grow on it, this is the reality that they'll build.